Hi, everybody. Welcome to another story time with Miss Nana. So, we're going to get started, but before we do, there are a couple of things we need to take care of. The first thing is I'd like to give a shout out and dedicate this video to Miss Jeniece from Chicago, Illinois. So, a little birdie told me that you had a birthday on Thursday, I believe it was. So I want to say a belated happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. And thank you so much for watching. And this is another thing, girl. You came up to me at church yesterday and you said, Miss Nana, I like when you read the stories. So I'm dedicating this story and this video specifically to you, Miss Jeniece. All right, I hope you enjoy. All right, everybody. Now we all have some other business we need to handle. Do you know what it is?
Yeah, my brain.
That's right. Let me see your brain. Bring your head down. Analyzing the data. Beep, boop, beep, boop, 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 boop. Putting in the numbers, and I've come to the conclusion that you are brilliant. And not only are you brilliant, you are amazing. So I need you to take your amazing hands. Let me see your hands. Let me see them. And put them to your amazing ears. And turn your ears on. Now turn them all the way up to maximum capacity. All right, are your ears on? If your ears are on, you should be able to hear me. And if you can hear me, I need you to answer a question. What color is my flower? Green. And what's the main color in my shirt? Yellow. And what color is my cardigan? Black. Oh, so we have green, yellow, and black. Good job, Munchkins. All right, we are going to sing what I think is you all's favorite song, because everywhere I go, everyone wants that song. We're going to sing Open Shut. All right, let me see your hands. Open, shut them, open, shut them. Give a little clap, clap, clap. Open, shut them, open, shut them. Place them in your lap, lap, lap. Creep them, crawl them, creep them, crawl them. Right up to your chin, chin, chin. Open up your little mouth. But do not let them in. Hello, 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 and how are you? I'm fine, I'm fine, and I hope that you are too. Hola, 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 ¿cómo está? Estoy bien, estoy bien, y espero tú también. Yeah! All right, guys, we are going to read a new book. Pete the Cat. I love my white shoes. See his white shoes? Hello, white shoes. Hello, Pete the Cat.
How did he come?
Hey, everybody. What color is Pete the Cat's fur?
Blue.
It is blue. I don't know if you can see it, how well you can see it, but it is blue. It's like a midnight blue.
And it's a dog.
Dark, dark blue. Look at all those shoes. What color are these shoes? And what color are those shoes? Red. And what color are those shoes? And what color are those shoes? Green. Green, blue, red, and yellow. Cool. Here we go. Pete the Cat was walking down the street in his brand new white shoes. Pete loved his white shoes so much he sang this song. Look at his shoes. Whoa. How many shoes does Pete the cat have? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. Why does he have 4 shoes?
Because he wants.
Well, Pete has 4 paws, so he needs 4 shoes. We have 2 feet, so we only need 2 shoes. I love my white shoes. I love my white shoes. I love my white shoes. Da-da-da-da. I love my white shoes. I love my white shoes. I love my white shoes. Okay, I need everybody to get their air guitars. All right. Oh no! Pete stepped in a large pile of strawberries. Strawberries? What color are strawberries?
Blue.
Strawberries are not blue. What? Red. So what color did Pete's shoes turn?
Red.
Red. His white shoes turned red. Did Pete cry? Goodness, no. He kept walking along and singing his song. Everything was cool. Get your air guitars out. You ready? I love my red shoes. I love my red shoes. I love my red shoes. Hey, let's hear guitars. Oh no! Pete stepped in a large pile of blueberries. Oh, what color did it turn his shoes?
Blue.
Look at those blueberries. Oh, you want some blueberries? Jeniece, do you want some blueberries? I like blueberries. All those antioxidants. Oh, so good. I love them. Oh my goodness. They turned his shoes blue.
I love.
Did Pete cry? Goodness, no. He kept walking along and singing his song. Awesome. Ready? Get your guitars out, everybody. Let me see you. I love my blue shoes. I love my blue shoes. I love my blue shoes. What is he holding up?
Umbrella.
An umbrella. What is that?
A blue.
A birdie. What color is the birdie's fur or feathers? Yellow. All right. I love my blue shoes. Rock it out. Rock it out. Oh no! Pete stepped in a large pile of mud. Ew, ew, icky, yucky, gross. What color did it turn his shoes? We're not gonna eat the mud. Gross, Magoo.
I need to eat it.
No, don't eat the mud. It turned his shoes brown. Did Pete cry? Goodness, no. He kept walking along and singing his song. Don't worry about it. We'll get in a little bit. Groovy. He was grooving out. Y'all ready? Let's see your guitars. Be careful. We don't want to knock over the camera. I love my brown shoes. I love my brown shoes. I love my brown shoes. What's he holding?
Coffee.
A cup of coffee. You want some? It's a little hot. You want some coffee? Go ahead. Goop, goop, goop. Let me taste it. Hot. Too hot. Oh no! Pete stepped in a bucket of water. And all the brown and all the blue and all the red were washed away. What color were his shoes again? What color were his shoes? Let's find out. They started out the color white. But now they were wet. Oh my goodness. So now his shoes are white. They're back to being white, but now they're wet and they're squeaky, squelchy. Did Pete cry?
Guys, no.
Goodness, no. He kept walking along and singing his song, Rock and Roll.
Let's make a guitar.
All right, you ready for your guitars? Let me see your guitar. You ready? I love my wet shoes. I love my wet shoes. I love my wet shoes. Squeak, squeak. I love my wet shoes. I love my wet shoes. I love my wet shoes. Oh my goodness. The moral of Pete's story is no matter what you step in, keep walking along and singing your song. Look, he's got all different colors. Red, brown, blue, and white. Because it's all good. Oh yeah. Last time, everybody, let's get our guitars out. Are you ready? Got your strings? You ready? 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Freeze. All right, guys, that was Pete the Cat. I Love My White Shoes by James Dean. And art by James Dean. And the story is by Eric Litwin. Ooh. I love my white shoes. I love my white shoes. I love my white shoes. All right, everybody. It's time for us to say goodbye. But I'll see you again. All right? It is time to say goodbye, goodbye, goodbye. It's time to say goodbye. I'll see you next time. It is time to say goodbye, goodbye, goodbye. It's time to say goodbye. I'll see you next time. Okay, my brilliant brain readers, I want you to take your brilliant brains and go explore in a book. Bye-bye.